Hello everyone, hope you are fine and safe at your homes. Today's video is about adding chapters in YouTube videos, and as you know, I am a new YouTuber as well. I am also learning new things on a daily basis. Today I learned to add chapters in my YouTube videos and thought I should share it with you as well. So let's start. Chapters allow you to break up your video into sections, and each section has an individual preview. You must be thinking why we should add chapters in our videos. Now let's answer that. So why we should add chapters? We can add chapters to provide more information to viewers and also to allow them to rewatch specific parts when needed. While adding chapters to your video, you should keep following things in mind. Minimum length of chapter should be 10 seconds. And at least 3 timestamps should be added in ascending order per video. You can add more, but at least 3 should be added. Now let me show you how to add chapters in your videos. First of all, sign into your YouTube channel and then edit the video you want to add chapters to. In the video details page, in description section, you can add chapters. You can also preview your video from here and decide where you want to add the timestamp. Before adding the timestamps, please make sure that you know that every timestamp should start from 0000 and each timestamp should be greater than 10 seconds, and you have to add 3 timestamps per video at least. So I have added 5 timestamps or 5 chapters in this video. First is starting from 00 and I have labeled that introduction. Second is starting from almost 9, but I have added it from 0:11 because it should be greater than 10 seconds. So similarly, I have added all other chapters here, and after adding them you can click save and preview how your chapters have been added. You can see 5 chapters have been added in this video. Each one is appearing with a preview and a label. You can see it. You can also view your chapters, added chapters here. I hope you have liked the video. Please share your feedback and subscribe my channel.